anticipating a lot of bank fraud during this period. Many people targeting banks, hackers, and so we have 9 suspects who are being charged to court this morning with personation, electronic fraud, uttering false documents, conspiracy, and theft. Our Special Investigations Division, in coordination with the Fraud Department of Housing Finance Bank, has charged to court 9 suspects with a series of offenses, like I indicated, which included personation, electronic fraud, conspiracy, uttering a false document, and theft. The 9 suspects we have include Mwanga Taufik Mubarak, alias Agaba Ismail, a 31-year-old broker of Kawempe Ket Falau; Mubiru Shadat, alias Shad, aged 38, a driver at Mengo Balintuma Road; Kato John Baptist Sewanyana, a 49-year-old businessman of Nabaziza Zone, Chengera; Sande Umaru, a 29-year-old businessman of Yeso Amala Nansa na Wakiso; Kakoza Adam, a 32-year-old clearing agent of Chitukutwe village, Kira municipality; Kache Napoleon, a businessman of Bowate in Chira; Mwanje Shafik, a 27-year-old student and resident of Najera Busibante, Venus Apartments; Seguja Mubarak, alias Mubarak Muhammad Hamoud, a 32-year-old salesman of Kona Zone, Kawempe; and Joshua Lubega, a 33-year-old pastor and farmer of Chiyinda Chireka. Now, these suspects, with others still at large between October 2023 and November 2023 in the Kampala district, or thereabout, with the intention of securing unfair or unlawful game, deliberately transferred money amounting to 8,024 million from the Housing Finance Bank to 49 bank accounts where the action was performed through a computer. Now, these arrests, of course, send a very clear message to those who conspire to defraud banks and still who defraud banks using electronic mechanisms to steal clients' deposits and services for their selfish gains, that we are well prepared for them. And of course, we anticipate incidents of electronic frauds and hackings targeting banks during this period. And we call upon all banks to remain vigilant and also intensify their protective measures and firewalls during this period.